Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to set up Fingerprint on ULEFONE Armor 21. So first go into the settings of your phone. Then here find security and privacy. Then device unlock, fingerprint and face unlock. Type in your password and click fingerprint unlock. Now scroll down and I agree. Touch the power button without pressing it right here and just do it a couple of times. And it's nearly ready. As you can see, sometimes it has problems, but just need to put my fingers on top of all the area and done. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.